This program really shows you a little bit more about what's called passing an argument into a parameter by value. And what it means is that only a copy of the argument's value is passed. So if the function changes anything, it won't affect the argument back in the main program. Now, I want to just show you, this will become important in our next module because we'll be talking about passing data by reference, which is a little bit different. So you need to understand what's happening behind the scenes when you pass something by value. So first, let's just take a look at the function change_me. It gets passed one integer. It sets my value to 0, and then it just, says in change_me the value has been changed to 0. So what's happening is you're passing in an argument into this parameter, and then you're changing it to 0 and displaying it. But when you pass by value, what happens in the main program, number is assigned the value of 12. So it'll say in main number is 12, then it'll call change_me. So number is 12, it'll pass 12 into my value. Now keep in mind, everything is stored in a memory location. So in the main program, there's a memory location called number, and it's got a 12 in it. When this function call happens, it creates a new variable in memory called my value, and it takes the 12 and it stores it in here. And so in this program, we're working with the my value variable, which holds a 12. So when I run this, oops, sorry, I need to put a system pause in here. Okay, so I'm going to run this, and you'll see in main the number is 12, then we call the change_me function, it's changed to 0, and when you come back to the main program it's still 12. So it's 12 here, it's 12 when we display it, we pass the 12 to the change_me function, the number variable, right, holds a 12, that 12 gets passed into a new variable called my value. And inside the function, we set my value to 0 and display it. So this is the part you need to take a look at. When we come back, right, after this function call, number is still 12. And that's called passing data by value. You take the value in main, you pass it out to a function, and you can do whatever you want with it inside of that function, but if you do make a change to the value, that change will not be in effect when you come back to the main program.